Consider the points A and B. The path taken from A to B, any line drawn from A to B, if we measure this, it will give us distance. If we measure the length of this line, it will give us distance. If we measure a straight line path between point A and point B, that will give us displacement. Displacement is nothing but the shortest distance between two points. If you want to go from this point, this pillar to that pillar, I can walk from here to there, or I can walk from here to there this way. So many ways I have. If I travel straight, that will be minimum distance for me to reach that point. It is called displacement. Minimum distance from one point to another point is known as displacement. The time taken to cover in this path, distance by time, is known as speed. And displacement by time is known as velocity. Everyone clear with this? Now consider this is an airfoil which is in air, which is flying. This is wind coming in this direction. When this aircraft is flying in air, the air motion will be with less speed. Here the air will be at higher speeds. What happens when the air will be why? Do you know why there is less speed in water? Because the shape is made in such a way that it obstructs the motion of air below it, and upper surface will be so smooth and so curved such that air can flow flawlessly. It can flow very smoothly over the surface. If there is less velocity,